In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Google Drive from Windows in just a few simple steps. Whether you're trying to free up some system resources or you simply no longer need the application, removing it from your computer can clean up space and reduce unnecessary app clutter. So, let's dive right in and get started with this easy process. First, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. You're going to want to click on the familiar Windows icon to open up the Start menu. This is your main hub for accessing all the applications installed on your computer. It's important to note that the layout of the Start menu might vary depending on your version of Windows, but rest assured, your Google Drive app is nestled somewhere here. Now that you've opened the Start menu, you'll need to locate the Google Drive application. You can do this by scrolling through the list of apps displayed. They are generally arranged alphabetically, so you can quickly navigate to the G section. If your list is quite long, to save some time, you can use the search bar at the top to type Google Drive, which will immediately bring the app into view. Once you've successfully spotted the Google Drive icon, the next step is to take your mouse and right-click on it. This action will open a context menu. This is essentially a small pop-up menu with various options related to managing the app. From this context menu, look for the Uninstall option and go ahead and click on it. This is a crucial step that starts the uninstallation process, and your system will now initiate the necessary processes to remove the app from your computer. After choosing to uninstall, you might be guided through some prompts. These prompts are essentially confirmations and sometimes may ask for administrator permissions to proceed with the process. Just follow along by clicking Yes or Next as needed. Each prompt might be slightly different based on your specific version of Windows, but they are typically self-explanatory and designed to walk you through the process step by step. As a final part of the uninstall process, your system may prompt you to restart your computer. While restarting might be optional in some cases, it's generally recommended to do so. Restarting ensures that any remaining files associated with Google Drive are completely cleared and your system functions optimally. And that's it! You've successfully uninstalled Google Drive from your Windows computer. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a cleaner, more efficient workspace tailored to your current needs. If there are any other applications you no longer require, you can repeat this process to uninstall each one. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.